I want to welcome you to our data science lab. Data is so important. All the companies, large and small, they use the data to make a business decision. To be able to understand the data, clean the data, utilize the data, build the model. This is what a company are looking for. That is going to help students get the internship and the job. This lab gives students the capability to access advanced computer resources on cloud, powerful computing resources. They also provide an environment for students to collaborate, to share their idea. We give students real-world data. The students, they learn how to clean, how to transform data. This is a very important skill for people working in the data analytics and also data science field.